see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Tinatry ko na magpa tayo dito.
and when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to what you hiding from me. What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you is why you always wanna be around her. Be around.
Good morning, guys.
What? Good morning, guys. Today what?
Today is
Friday, January 28, and we are going to
Adelaide.
Adelaide. Ano na guys, paalis na kami na ilagay na saka yung mga gamit namin. Except dito, yung aking bag. Wait lang. Time, anong oras? Alas 10 na ata. 10 o'clock. 10:20. 10:30. 10:30. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating OOTD. Eto, dinala to ni Jan nung kinuha to. Kila Race. Eto, kasama tong pinadala. Tsaka yung mga na-mine ko sa online. So, eto, kay Clyde to, binigay to ni gift sa Hoy sa kanya. Hindi kasya sa kanya kasi sobrang ikse. So, sabi niya, Manay, gusto mo to? Sabi ko, go. So, eto yung suit natin. Pakita sa inyo. Wait lang. Yan, Lai. Thanks, Lai, sa aking pa-OOTD today. From, I'm Gift sa Hoy. And, suot ko yung aking tinda noon na suot ko yung aking paninda before. Eto yung aking sandals na na-change siya ng kahit anong style na gusto mo. So, tingnan nyo. Iba yung style dito. Tsaka iba dito sa isa. Tinry ko lang kung ano yung mas maganda. Sa tingin nyo, ano. And, ito yung kinuha kong straps. Meron pa ako dito. Wait lang. Nandito yung mga straps ng aking sandals. Nakasabit sila dito, guys. Ano ba yung suot kong mga damit? Mga susuotin pala. Meron akong brown. Marami pa ako nito eh. Wait lang, pili lang tayo dito lang mga dadaling kong straps. So, ito yung mga kinuha kong straps. Kasi pwede natin siyang palit-palitan. Ayan na yung, I got everything.
Did you get
I think so. My pillow, can you please get my pillow, please? So, yan. Parang lahat may touch ng yellow. Okay na yan. Yung white, hindi ko makita. Diyan na lang sila. So, yan na yung aming, dala namin ngayon ay yung car ko. Right there, yeah? Wow! And, yung leggings, yung biker short ni Holly, kinat ko yan na leggings niya. Mayroon siyang 2 o 3 dala. There, please. Kasi mainit yan sa Adelaide, so, ang ginawa ko, pinagkakat ko na naman yung kanyang leggings na bitin na ba sa kanya, yung para ng, yung papunta na sa tuhod niya. Ayan, oh. Asan yung isa? Ito, 2 yung ginupit ko. Marami na ako actually ginupit kasi yung iba, hindi ko nasa labahan pa ata. So, ayan. Ginupit-gupit ko. So, yun na guys. Punta na tayo ng Adelaide. Lagyan ko lang to ng tubig. And, yung gamit ko pala na lip tint ay yung ating Dasik na water tint. Ang kanyang shade is, ano ba yung shade niya? Makita. Shade, wait lang guys. Yung shade niyan, wala dito sa ano. Hindi ko makita dito. Tignan natin yung box niya. Yung kanyang shade is, eto ba? Heart Wave. Ayan. Yes, Heart Wave yung gamit natin. Ganda siya. Simple lang. And yung cushion na lights, camera, action. Then, and it's free na sunscreen. Dinamin ko yung sunscreen sa mukha kasi ibalik natin tong kasi Ang init yan. Okay, let's go, babe. Hinintay na ako ni Jan. Dito na kami sa car. May binili lang si Kuya dito sa shop ng, alams na, coffee ni Johnny Boy. And ako, may dala tayong apricot. Tapos yung aking oats dyan. Tapos meron tayong pomegranate. Ayan. Ayan, yan. Ilalagay ko dito sa aking yogurt. Inano ko lang si Kuya. Hintayin ko lang muna si Kuya. Ay, hintayin ko muna si Kuya. Hintayin ko lang itong huminto. Tapos, alis na tayo. Pagdating ni Kuya. Gulo, diba? Papa, did you say good morning? What you gonna say to the people?
I don't know where it is, Steve.
Good morning. Yan si Kuya. Oh, your change daw. Uy, sak! Kinukuha ni sak yung sukli. Parang kami nung mga bata. Agawan sa mga sukli. Okay, alis na tayo, guys. Let's go to Adelaide. Dito kami sa subway. I'm just waiting for my other son. Okay. Ayan na si Kuya. Come on. What do you want? Louder. Say it.
Chicken classic.
Chicken classic. Oh, help her, please.
So for those ones, it is $40.34.
Okay. So gusto na mauna ng mga bata. Ito kay sa chicken sushi. And ito sa akin lasagna taco. And si Kuya. Yeah, you can eat now, yeah. Sabog kay Kuya sa kanya.
Favorite that one.
Croissant. Iniinit pa. Tsaka kumarin tayo ng chips. Wait, we're gonna wait for the chips and your croissant. Upo muna tayo dito. Ito yung kanya. It's hot, ha? Okay, go to daddy now. Hindi ko alam na ganito kalaki yung chips na in-order natin. Oh, kids, tingnan nyo na sila. Oh. Dito sa kumain kasi sobrang init sa labas. And merong kausap si Jan. Hindi niya naman yung kilala. May tinatanong lang kay Jan about Jan sa framing sa car. Yung silver. Pakita ko sa mama yung tinatanong niya. And eto. Ask ko si Jan kung gusto niya to.
I got the Sahara bar because it's got
Yung aking pomegranate. Ayan po guys. Di ko pa siya ubos.
but
Alis na tayo and si Jan, kay Jan na lang to. Kinuha ko to para sa akin pero sa kanya na lang kasi busog pa naman ako. So alis tayo, kain tayo habang nagda-drive kasi nga sobrang init para maupo dun. Oh. It's very hot. How many degrees? It's only 25 but it's too hot.
Yeah, it's muggy.
Yeah.
Where are they gone?
Ah,
Those chips.
the chip.
Of course, yeah.
Grab the crab.
That's not crab, lobster.
The big lobster.
Big lobster. Do you want me to put some here, babe? Chips? Zach, put some chips here, please. Thank you. You hold it first.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Saki boy. Han. What? I'm gonna hold this. Ang init. Ang init ng init para yung chips. Oh my God. Okay. Drive na muna tayo guys at kain.
From me, what you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, cause I'ma need an upgrade.
Mag-car wash lang kami dito. Where are we now, Han? Meningi. Si Kuya tulog. Si Holly tulog. Si Sak gising. So, i-car wash lang ni Jan kasi ang dami naman ng mga yung bags. Ayan. Makikita nyo. Yeah. Ang dumi na naman. Yeah. Sinasabon na tayo ni Johnny Boy, oh.
So you're going to sleep.
Yeah. I will. Matutulog ako. Sabi ko kay Sak, matutulog ako. Pinakuha ko sa kanya yung pillow. Eh, nag-post ako sa Instagram. Hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa akin sa Instagram, guys. Follow me. ChonaAndMyKids AU.
upgrade. I thought you would see me crying. Would you? No, I don't have to clarify it. My worth, I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade, yeah. But I don't mind, no, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade, outplayed, outplayed.
Dito na tayo sa city. May pupunta lang tayo saglit. Bago tayo pumunta sa hotel.
Stop here, somewhere up.
On the right? Yeah.
That's a quest.
Where? Not a quest. Quest on Franklin.
Yeah, that one. Quest. Dito pala kami guys sa Yamaha. Hindi ko pa na-post yung vlog namin dito kasi sabi ko late ko yun ipo-post. Hindi ko pa yun na-edit guys. So siguro i-edit ko na yun. Hanapan namin yung mga bata ng boots para sa kanilang motorbike. Guys, kanina nung pagkarating namin dito, pumunta agad kami sa boots, kung saan yung mga boots. And then, may nag-assist sa amin na babae. Tinatanong ni Jang kung anong pwede sa mga bata. Sabi niya, just look there. Just look. Just yung pinupush lang yung kamay niya. Tapos sabi niya, which one? On your left. Say, can you come here and show it to us? No, just that one, that one. And then, umalis siya, nag-walk out yung babae. So, report ni Jan sa baba. So, ngayon, nag-assist na sa amin, lalaki. Very rude yung babae. So, ngayon, siya nang nag-assist sa amin. Hindi ko pa kasi hindi ko pa kasi na-upload yung unang vlog. Yung babaeng nag-assist sa amin.
It's a bit testing at the moment, trying to get stuff.
Yung unang nag-assist sa amin, yung babae doon yun. Ang rude niya.
That's the one you sell. Then you got
Sinusukatan sila.
180. Oops, next one.
Kuya, you're right.
It'll be depending on the boot anyway. Cool, 285.
Ayan na yung kay Kuya. Where's your size at? Where's yours? So, ayan si Kuya.
He just whacked mine.
Huh?
Dad just whacked mine.
Your shave?
It's cool. So it's a little bit hard when kids do them because you want a little bit of room so he
Yeah.
can grow, but you don't
Yeah.
want it too big that he can't feel. What sort of bike? So have you done this before? The good thing is, if you're a little bit big, he'll get a bit longer out of it.
We'll go the little bit
tighten them up.
Yeah.
So how does that feel?
Is it alright, yeah?
With toes.
Ayan na yung...
It's hard. Feel a little bit of
Ayan
room.
yan lang yung style na meron sila dito. Maganda sana ito, oh.
And then the next thing,
Ang ganito, oh. Kaso walang size sila. Ay, hindi ko pa sure kay Sak. Ayun yung kay Sak, oh.
will it move? You've got a little bit of room in there. Okay.
forward.
So how much do you reckon your foot's moving? A little bit? Need a bit more room, do you reckon? A little bit more?
Okay, Sak, try this one. Parang sakto lang kay Sakto. Ay, kay Kuya. So, si Sak ang mag-ano.
Give that a go.
Baka yan kay Sak. Yeah.
Might as well try this on, but you're done without the red one. So it's just like them, it's just white on the sides.
Oh, they're an enduro. So that's just a different style of boot. I think. Yeah, they're an enduro.
Yeah, the
No, I don't think they are enduro.
I don't really know which one they are.
About there, right? So it's plenty big enough, so it's probably not that much fun.
They're heavy?
When you fall off, we're going to hurt you.
Is it heavy, Sak? What do you think, Sak? A bit small? Hindi kasi maano ba, hindi mo tawag yung sa regular na sapatos, mape-press natin kung hanggang saan yung yung haba pa.
So you got about that much room.
Pretty good.
Are you sure, Sak? It's not.
Or red and black.
He'll go red and black.
Zach, are you sure, Sak?
We're bombers.
Oh yeah. See, we get on the right.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. They're better than that.
I like that one.
Fun.
That one with red and blue.
How does that feel? Not
I like that, Sak. I like that, Kuya.
not crazy big. So slightly forward, forward back.
They have the
Got a little bit of
same.
room.
How much room?
Oh, fair bit. So
You sure?
That'll be all.
but if he's happy, he'll get longer.
Yeah.
You want me to do them up, or are you happy, mate?
Are you sure? Yeah.
You happy?
It's not.
As long as you've got enough room down there, it's not cramping your toe. That's the main thing.
Kasi kailangan medyo may room. Kasi pa lalakyan agad nila yan. Are you sure, Sak?
Yeah, I'm looking.
You like that one? I like that one, yeah.
Oh, I got this side.
I can have another look. Yeah, I just grabbed what I could see. Yeah, I'm here. I know they're not the right ones. So what have we got? 6 in the same colour? Oh, I think I got grey or something. Different colour, yeah.
Yeah. Like this one? Like this? Are they the same?
Down the front here, that's where I want to be.
It's you.
Yeah, I like the blue one. Do you have green? Do they have green, sir?
Yeah.
Well, Mom, you say you don't care how much money, you just care for us to be safe.
That's right. Ang mahal ng sapatos na to. Nasa 600 lang boots. 649.99. So parang 650. Pamahal yung kanilang sports.
You tie it up.
Ayan yung babae. Yung babaeng yan yung very rude sa amin kanina. Ayaw niya raw lumapit kasi may COVID. Tingnan mo how close siya duman sa sa lalaki na paasar. Ay, kumukulang dugo ko dun sa babaeng yun. Dito naman tayo sa mga pads.
Oh, that'll be it. Under. There's not tons of choice.
What color did you get, Zach? Black?
To be honest with you, we haven't tried getting this, but we can get the under stuff, no worries. So this will be adjustable. Yeah, it's pretty good. So you can shorten it up a little bit more, but not too much.
You already have yours, right? Yeah, si Zach okay na siya.
Probably a little bit more.
Si Kuyang wala pa.
See if we can do it.
How about the knee pads? No?
A bit of room to grow.
Yeah.
It is a little bit low, but
That'll sit up a bit lower.
it will. Yeah. Got him?
Ito gusto ko kasi mayroon siyang pads.
You're tight. There you go. Let you do it so don't rip your nose off.
Heavy?
The good thing that I like about them, like my youngest wouldn't. They'll be very hard at the moment again, so they do an elbow and a knee.
Elbow. Ayan, para sa elbows.
Oh, wrong way. My bad.
Other one.
No, it's
Other way.
so it's a little bit big again.
Okay. Malalaki yung ano eh. Kasi ang papayat nila.
And I'm a
Is
bit
it alright?
skinny as well. Like, well, we've got it. It's pretty much
So,
done and gone.
ganito yung kay Zach yung nabili ni Jan.
Stupid the way
We
it
might
works.
wait and get one of these. What are they called? Just
279.
Race frame, we
a
call
race frame, yeah.
Kasi yung kay Kuya, ano lang,
Now, have you got a bag that can fit?
parang ganito, ay, eto lang. So, we're not getting this bag? We're not getting that one?
No, wait.
Well, wait. Oh, wala na kasi silang stock.
Use that. We can use bro.
Bag.
We'll just, we'll just get a bag.
Yeah, bag. Bili tayo ng bag. 2 boots will fit?
And then same up the other end of it.
Alright, okay. Now, pants naman. Meron na tayong bag. Pants naman. May phone siya. Old phone ni Johnny Boy. Yeah, but you don't have motorbike.
A little bit of black and white there.
Yeah, that one suck. That's nice. Yeah, go. And the pants. Ayan kay Kuya.
Check that.
Okay, yeah, I like this. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. This one.
We've got the next size up if you just want to go up one. Too big?
Too big? Okay. This one.
Try that medium.
Try it.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Si Sako. Kitang-kita niyo si Sako.
They'll probably shame you.
Yeah.
I'll put this around your neck.
Yeah, I know that.
People laugh at me when I do it. Is that large?
I like that color, yeah. I think a bit small,
Go
yeah.
up one, boss?
I think a bit small. A small sa TJ.
Don't
Yeah.
worry if it's too long.
Yeah.
No, that's cool.
Get another one. Get the other size. Large, yeah.
That's a large and then that's an extra large.
Yeah, large please. Thank you. Si Sako, large.
Look behind that thing.
Okay, I will.
Got bought out by the French mob.
Okay. Oh, really?
I like that color, yeah. Black and white.
Pretty well weighted in there.
Si Sak talaga, oh. Kita nyo sa ano siya. Kita nyo siya kahit ang layo niya na, oh, sa madilim. Malaki yung pants kay Kuya. Naghanap pa siya ng isa. Malaki yung size kay Kuya. So mag-try siya ng isa pa. Parang biti naman yan.
I'll go.
Ayan si Sak, oh.
So you can go.
Yeah.
Like I
That's right.
hand me down, so
Ayan si Sak.
good. Yeah, because
Okay na si Sak. All set.
good. You could go. What have we got here? So if I do that up more, is that okay? Yeah. So you're sort of halfway. What size are they? You could go up one if we've got it.
Done? Done? Done. Okay. Ayan na. Tapos na tayo dito, guys. Andiyan na sa bag yung mga nabili. And pinatanggalan namin yung boots nila sa box kasi dagdag lang yun sa ano, kalat sa bahay. Dito na pala kami, guys, sa ano, sa hotel. And iba na yung management, guys. Ngayon, meron na silang mga tinanggal. Yung couch doon, naalala nyo? Dito pala kami sa room 17. So, iba na. Kita nyo, iba na yung design ng kanilang bed. Iba na yung management. And nagmahal na rin yung kanilang room.
Why isn't the cashier like,
Tapos, nagmahal yung room. Tinanggal pa yung couch. Okay lang sa nagmahal yung room. Sana, di tinanggal yung couch. Okay. Naloban ako kanina. And, nag-order pala kami sa Uber Eats. Nag-Uber Eats na lang kami for dinner. Ito yung sa akin, Nandos. Meron tayong kalahating chicken. Sak, stop it. Sak, stop it, please. Half chicken, tapos yung Java rice. Naglaway ako dun sa amoy. Java rice. Ayan yung ating very spicy. Yung mga bata, si Sak ayaw niya. McDonald's sa kanila. Yes, McDonald's. Sa mga bata, nagugas na ako ng kamay.
what's that?
Ah, donuts. I got your donuts, babe, but this is caramel donuts.
Oh!
For dessert. Hoy, wash your hands, kiddos.
What's that?
Oh, rice. Ito yung rice. Ang init pa, oh.
Do you order a drink?
I have water. Si Holly, what are you having, Baba? Happy!
Meal was open.
Ayan yung akin, guys. Chicken. Namiss ko pag nandito tayo sa Adelaide. Hindi ako makakain ng Nando's. Nasabi ko na ba sa inyo, yung first time ko to natikman sa Melbourne ako.
Dad, where'd you put the control?
Nung nanalo si Holly sa bands.
You know where I put the control?
I don't know. Wait lang, guys.
Give me the controller. Yeah. I want to see that. Stop jumping. My bed. It's not your bed.
Wala tayong kutsara at tinidor.
I feel like
Kutsara
I'm
at
not
tinidor. No donut, Baba. You have to eat your... Wait for your tea.
Look at it. Could you?
Kasi ayaw niya ng McDonald's. And ayaw niya rin to. So, what did you get from McDonald's, ha?
McFlurry
Tim Tam na McFlurry. Java rice. Come on.
Chopper rice.
Yeah. Spicy. Oh, what's for my...
Not spicy.
Spicy and hot.
Every time it's spicy, my tongue goes.
Oh, naglalaway. It's like all the water coming out. Naglalaway daw.
I feel something.
Like, you feel something in your mouth? The water is
Like
like...
a spicy thing.
Like coming out, the water. Your saliva. Water, saliva. Parang magustuhan mo. Wala ka? Kinuha ko pa naman yung malaki kasi just in case ba. Namiss ko to. Sobrang spicy yung in order ko. First time pala natin pumunta ngayon ng Adelaide. Ngayong 2022, guys. Wow.
What else is in there?
Super spicy.
Super spicy. What's that one?
First time ko, very spicy sa.
No.
Parang sobrang anghang naman to. Mahilig ako sa mga, pero parang iba tong pinakamaanghang. Hindi ito yung pinakamaanghang. Yung mayroon pala akong pinalagay na extra. Yung lemon thing. Yung lemon. Oh, sarap. Sa, can you get my water, please?
Why? I want spicy.
You want this?
No, I just want the chicken.
Too spicy.
Just the chicken. No, I want the whole piece of the chicken. This piece, not that whole piece.
Alright.
I need
Very spicy, I'm telling you now. Very
Hurry
spicy.
up. I don't care if it's spicy. I just want to try it.
Stay here. Show them that you like it. Sit down. Ano? Good?
Yeah.
Spicy?
Nah.
Malila siguro yung ko. Lunok. Na ko nasa mid. Can you get my water,
But
please?
it makes me thirsty.
Tapos mainit pa yung yung Java rice. Okay, kain mo na ako,
Oh,
Gar.
I'm better than Mom at spiciness. Mom, can I have drink?
Where's your water bottle? Car? Okay, kain mo na ako,
I
guys.
drink.
Dito na yung kanilang food.
Oh, yeah.
Where you gonna sit? ang liit ng table. Alisin ko na muna kayo, guys. McDonald's yung kanila eh. Alam nyo na yung kay Jan. Quarter pounder. Tapos kay Kuya, what you got? Deluxe, Kuya?
Can you make the table that fast?
How? I don't have space here, babe. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Oh.
Move the table out, please.
Table out. Okay. Ayan, minove ko yung table.
Mommy, flowers in there.
Yep.
Can I get a drink? Dad, yours are in there. Yep.
Yeah.
Team and then
I think I got another 200. Sandy?
good, but two.
That's what you get. You suck dessert. Ayun yung kasi ang McDonald's na burgers.
There's 2 in there.
Yeah, put in the fridge first.
Like this one real good.
Thank you. Yeah, si Sak wala. Magano kasi sobrang anghang ng ating chicken.
One more.
Find yours. We have apple pies. Where's yours? She did.
Oh.
You found yours, yeah? Okay. Daddy, can we put this here and you can just grab yours? Kasi wala na tayong space.
This is small.
Put the tennis on.
Yeah. Huh? What? Maybe that's not yours.
Do I have a toy?
Chicken deluxe.
Yeah, that's what I ordered. Chicken deluxe.
Yeah.
There are no toys yata, Bob.
No, I want my apples right now.
Apple pie. Here's for you. Apple pie for Zach. Sure, Zach. Oh. You're welcome.
Mine.
Nah, they're
What else do we have there?
TJ's.
This is yours, ha? Si Jan, dalawang double cheeseburger.
Large.
Yeah, large, yeah. So, kay Jan, dalawang double cheeseburger tapos quarter pounder. Kain na muna kami, guys. Wala akong mapaglagyan sa inyo. Oh. Ang lit ng table. What's that, Zach? Is it good? Tim Tam?
Tim Tim.
Ah, alright.
Take the Tim Tim.
Ah.
How old are them, babe?
Well, wait.
Hurry.
Yum.
Can you sit on your chair properly? You are them?
Yeah, she likes tomatoes.
Is that mine? Yes. That's all.
May kamatis dyan si Holly, oh. May tomato siya kasi favorite niya yun, eh. Okay, kain na talaga kami, guys. See you later. Tapos na sila. Dessert na, guys. Donut, yung caramel. Good? You like it? Si Kuya apple pie, si Jan apple pie.
I'm gonna have all of
Ako, ayan. Hindi pa lang tapos, guys.
Kuya.
Pero sila tapos na, dessert na sila. Sinasabayan ko nito, oh. What's wrong, yeah? Alright. Magsiswimming sila. Bye. Ano na? 7:15. Pero maano pa kasi yung araw, mataas pa. Ako kumakain pa rin ako, guys, oh.
Go get me coffee.
Okay.
Just stay now.
Alright. Dito yung mga bata, guys. Si Jan punta lang siya sa sa gasoline station. Kuha siya ng coffee niya. Sak, careful, Sak! Si Sak umakyat muna. Umahon pala. Si Jan, ayun na. Alis muna siya. Servo. Bumalik na si Sak dito, oh. What's that, love? Okay. Are you alright, yeah? Ang tapang ni Holly, nagpa-front, flip. Oh, careful. Warm yung tubig. Pinasa na ni Sak si Holly, oh.
Hang on, Zach. You're going to take hold.
Nandito na si Jan. Ayun na yung car, oh. Bumili lang siya ng coffee. Tsaka water. Guys, tapos na sila mag-swimming. Nakaligo na sila. And you're eating lollies. After that, you're gonna brush your teeth, okay? Naka-pajama na siya. And the boys, nakaligo na rin. Siguro i-close ko na yung vlog.
I'm drinking.
You're drinking Coke. Coke kasi yung flavor niya. Can you close the vlog? We'll close the vlog na, guys.
Please like,
Thank you. Always say thank you first.
Thank you for watching the vlog. Please like, please subscribe. Happy next. See you next vlog.
Yeah, close na natin kasi edit ako. Good night.
I'm gonna need tea.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think